and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi! My name is Jessa Kowitz and I do beauty, fashion, and lifestyle vlogs. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you an organizational video. I've been on a hunt of something that will organize all my day-to-day makeup and my makeup brushes. So yesterday I went to TK Maxx and I found this organizer. And it's so pretty and it's so chic, and I thought it's perfect for my vanity. It has 3 compartments at the back, which is, I think it's perfect for makeup brushes and for lip liners, eyeliners, and whatnot. And the tray at the front is decent for all my makeup, I think. So without further ado, let's get started and organize my makeup. Alright, so we are now nice and close. So I'm gonna start with the makeup brushes. So I have foundation, bronzer, and contour, my powder brush, and my highlighting brush. And yeah, that's all that I use for the face. And for the eyes, I have blending brush. I have my contour brush for my nose, my inner tear duct highlight, and another blending brush. I think that's from Anastasia, and a packing brush. And this is just a spare foundation brush. And also I'm going to place this shaver upside down over here. Alright, so I'm gonna be placing the makeup products according to how I apply my makeup. So let's begin with primer. I have my primer, this backlight priming filter, and my foundation, which is from MAC. I mix them together, and this is what I use to mix my foundation and that filter. And then after that, I have my concealer. This is from Too Faced. So sometimes when I don't use foundation, I spot conceal with this concealer from Maybelline. So I have pressed powder from MAC. My bronzer and contour that I use, it's from Marc Jacobs. My blush from Vice, I got that from Philippines. And my highlighter, which is from Fenty Beauty. I think that's perfect. Let's move on to eyebrows. So I use this one from Daiso. And then I use the L'Oreal for my eyebrows, the Artist Plumpa. And then let's move on to eyelashes. I use this eyelash curler, which is from Tarte. And mascara, I'm using this at the moment. It's from Clinique, so I'm gonna put it here. I also have my eyelash glue. Oh, I also have spoolie. So sometimes I get my eyelashes extensions done, but at the moment I don't have them because I don't have time to get them done. So I'm gonna place this one on the middle. And then this is my liquid eyeliner from Stila. It's in the shade brown, so I'm gonna place it on this side. What's next? Oh, the sharpener for my lip liner. And then we have a lip balm. This is from Clinique, so I'm gonna place it on this side. And then my beauty blender, I'm going to place it just right here. And then my liner from MAC, it's in the shade Strip Down, which is going to that side. And then I have 2 shades of nude lippies at the moment. This is from Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer in the shade Unreal. So I'm gonna place it at the back. And also this liquid lipstick from Marc Jacobs in the shade Fawn Over Me. So my makeup bag is now empty. I got this a gift from a friend. It needs a good clean. This is from Victoria's Secret. So this is the end of this video. I hope that you find it helpful and motivating in a way. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. It has been Jessa Kowitz here. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely day. I love you. You're beautiful. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye! Whoops. Okay. Alright, I think that will do. Should get a lint roller. Right. OCD problem. Anyways, can you be quiet, okay? Shh. Okay. Hi guys, and welcome back.
Hi.
Oh my god, already. Okay, you say hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Tatai.
How old are you?
3.
3. 3 is like this. 3.
3.
That's right. Say goodbye to them.
Bye.
Bye. Say subscribe.
Bye.
All right. Okay.